Hello, I want to make a video about this dash cam that I recently purchased. So this is 4K Ultra HD and it's from fitcamx, and let's see some features that this one has. Okay, so this is going to have Wi-Fi connection, and there will be loop recording, and it's gonna have G sensor, and it's gonna be super wide angle, perfect fit, and there will be WDR, meaning that wide dynamic range. Okay, so other than that, it has some instructions here that you will go through. Okay, and yeah, let's open the box and see what we have inside. All right, I have just opened the box, and this is what you're gonna get. So let's start with your manual. So your manual will have different languages, so whichever you want to go, and then it's going to be convenient for you. Okay, so it will talk about the details, like what you're going to receive in your package, and the details about the parts that you have. Okay, so let's put this aside, and this is going to be your pry tool that you're going to use when you're installing your camera. This is very handy, and it looks very strong and nice. Okay, and so this is going to be your SD card reader. Okay, so here you're going to insert your SD card if needed. Let's say if something happened, you want to see what happened and you want to show it to local officer, and just insert it here, plug it into your Mac or a laptop, and here you go, you got everything. Okay, and then this is going to be the power cable that you're just going to install. It's going to be easy, just plug it in, that's it. Installation is going to take like maybe 5 minutes, not more than that. And here is your front dash cam. It looks awesome. As you can see, you got some buttons here, and you have your SD card already included here. And then also you got these two cables. Okay, so this is gonna be connected to the power cable, and this is gonna be connected to your rear cam. Okay, again, this one looks very good. Okay, and other than this one, here's your rear camera. Okay? So, and it got a very long cable, so you're gonna be able to install this one without any issue. Okay, and also you have some like accessories that you can use to install your rear camera. Okay, so start our installation. As your first step, we're gonna remove this part. Okay, so you have received this tool. We're gonna use this one to remove this one. It's easy. Take your time and be patient. Okay, now here's how I'm gonna remove that. Okay, just pry this out a little bit. You heard that noise, yes? And do the same thing here. That's good. I'm gonna do the same thing here. Okay, just pry this a little bit. You're gonna feel it, it's coming out. Okay, now you're good. So then you're just going to hold it like this. Okay, as it's coming. Okay, you see it's coming. Now this is gonna come to you. Here you go, we're good. Okay, now let's continue with the next step. Step is to remove this cable here. It's the red one. Okay, just remove it. Be nice and gentle. Okay, it's out. Okay, all right, our next step is to insert this one to the power cable that you received in your box. Again, this is gonna go to this part. Okay, here you go, easy, that's it. All right, the next step is to this one is gonna go to here where you pull this one out. Okay, this is gonna serve as your source power. Go ahead and insert this one to this place. Okay, and we're gonna continue with the next steps. Thank you. Our next step is to use this part. So just letting you know that maybe this one was connected when you got your box. Just try your best and gently just take them apart, so it's gonna be like this. So now I'm gonna use this part, and I'm gonna connect this red one to this power cable, and it's gonna have a power, and we're gonna continue with the next step. Okay, it's time to put these two pieces together. Okay, this one and this one, and just letting you know that this is gonna go to your rear cam. So for now, let's not do something with this one. I'm gonna show you how to install this one too. But now what you need to do is just connect these two together slowly, okay? And just take your time, be patient, okay? It's gonna take some time, but don't worry, you're gonna be able to do it by yourself, okay? As I'm doing right now, okay? Thank you. The front dash cam installation is over and it looks perfect. It looks like the original one. Now I'm just gonna continue with the rear camera. As you can see, this is here, so I'm gonna connect this one with this one, and after that, okay, let me just show you the next steps, okay, what I'm gonna do. All right, I have just started installing the cable for my rear camera. So what you need to do, just connect these two, okay? And then what you're gonna do, get your tool, pry tool, and just push this under that and just hold it so you have enough space. Then push this one up there, okay? I'm gonna do it and show you one more time, okay? Just, you see what I'm doing here, okay? Just pushing everything inside that, okay? Don't worry, you have enough space and you're gonna be able to do everything, okay? So now I'm gonna continue from here and I'm gonna go all the way back, okay? So after I'm there, you're gonna attach this one to your back windshield. Then it's gonna be that, okay? That's continue, and I'm gonna show you the final look. I was able to run the cable this much, so I'm about to finish it, but just showing you again how you do it. Again, you use this tool, prior tool, and just pry this up a little bit and then push the cable in, okay? So now I'm just gonna do it again here. Just pry it, push the cable in, okay? So now you come this far, okay? So let's say you finish that, and then after that you're gonna use your camera and just there should be a film here. Just remove it and then attach it to your back windshield wherever you want to put, okay? So it's up to you. I'm gonna put it here, but it's up to you wherever you want to put, okay? Thank you. All right, my installation is over. As of now, I'm done. So go ahead and install this application called fitcamx and then connect to the device. Then you're gonna see some cool features, okay? Now I'm just gonna say access fitcam, okay? So you're gonna see the view that I am seeing right now. It's perfect. So here you got some options. With this you can take a video, with this you can take a screenshot, and here you got some settings, like you can change the name of the device and all those kind of stuff, okay? Like here. So I'm not going, okay. Here it says sound recording. You can turn that on, and video resolution, loop record option, timestamp, so I put that on, and parking, monitoring, collision detection. I chose most sensitive, Wi-Fi name, so you can choose something else, and there's an option to factory reset and all those kind of stuff, okay? So now let me show you how it looks. So this button is going to make this one as full screen, okay? Now as you can see, it's full screen, okay? So now you can change this view, but I'm gonna have to change this one like this, okay? So here you got this button. Let me see this button here. Okay, so when you just tap on it, now you got different views, okay? One is showing front, the other one is showing the rear, okay? Let's change that to something else. Now only the front view, and now I'm changing that to back, okay? So as you can see, it's perfect. The quality, the video quality is awesome, and also at the same time you're seeing the timestamp, okay? That's automatic. I don't have to change that, okay? But your front dash cam is gonna be 4K, okay? So let me just change that and see the difference. All right, so here's the front view, okay? That is awesome. Okay, I'm gonna have some recordings, okay, while I'm driving during the day and nighttime, so you can see how it looks, okay? Thank you. I wanted to show them to you. So these are the videos from the SD card that you are about to watch. So this is a daytime, and this is the front dash cam. As you can see, the quality is awesome. So this is 4K Ultra HD, and you're seeing the date stamp here, and it shows all the details, okay? Let me just pull it and you're gonna see how is it going to look like. Okay, so I was driving in my neighborhood, and you're seeing the video from my neighborhood, and it looks awesome. So the quality is awesome. You're seeing all the details, yes? So you absolutely want to have this one in your car, okay? I'm just gonna pause this one and I'm gonna show you the one from nighttime, okay? So let's pause this and see this one, okay? So again, this is the front dash cam and all the details that you're gonna see in 4K, and that is also gonna have the date stamp, and here is the video, okay? It shows all the details, all right? And it's awesome. I mean, I have had some other dash cams, but I didn't have this much quality. So this is great. And you're also able to enable the voice recording, so it can record inside your car, right? So let's just see the other one. This is gonna be your rear camera, okay? So your rear camera is gonna be 1080p, all right? So let's play this one, and this is a daytime one, okay? Like you're seeing, it also has the date stamp here, and here we go. So you are gonna be covered, okay? So your front dash cam and rear dash cam is always gonna record, and you're not gonna have any issue because you have enough storage.